Wet rooms, can these be successfully installed on the second floor of the house? For more than 15 years, I have worked with wet room waterproofing products. During this time, I have received a lot of telephone and emails. The builder/friend/neighbor of the dog sitter was on the list asking, on a second story, you can have wet rooms. Wet rooms at Royal Bathrooms. Once and forever, I want to emphasize that you can create a wet room on the first floor, second floor or another floor. A wet room on a wooden floor as well as on concrete floors can also be constructed. Yes, it can happen. No, it is not difficult, and no leaks will not occur, providing the work is correct. Every corner and each screw matters. The conventional shower room provides a waterproof shower tray itself, but the rest of the room is usually not waterproof. Any water, which passes by the ends of the tray, cannot enter the waste system and instead leaks into the floor, adjusts, or spills into lower rooms. When the shower is first installed, you believe that the installation is waterproof. Still, if the silicone dissolver is challenging and less flexible over the years, it may break off between the tiles. The waterproof tile adhesive can break down. Many people have had problems with leaking showers over the years. Usually, many water damages have already taken place by the time the problem has been detected. Bathroom floor construction matters. We can use a correctly installed wet room to contrast the above. First, the trap waste drain plays on the floor. Someone sets slightly the ground down, pitch to drop, to make a pitch to waste. As water wants to go down naturally, we realize that the water will go down to the lowest point in the room, entering the shower and the wastewater system. The water will run downwards. Water cannot circumvent the waste drain. Waterproofing is the key to the success of this scheme, also known as tanking. Every wet room must tank correctly, extending to the entire floor area, turning at least 100 mm upwards to the walls. The floor to the ceiling should be tanked with all walls in the immediate shower area. This ensures the water in any silt penetrates through the tiling. It goes down and enters the drainage system harmlessly. We can deduce that a wet room is a very secure deal in comparison with conventional shower facilities. Shower tray and birch ply matter. The most challenging thing in the people's minds seems to create the path to falling with the ease of creating wet rooms. This can be very difficult if all the constructors start from scratch. But by using a shower tray former, the smart way to achieve the required fall. A tray is a prefabricated tile with a gradient already built in, also known as a hidden shower tile. It is typically flat on the back and fits directly on the floor, with a sloping front. Those with whom I am familiar made from birch ply and are ready to be rebuilt to install the waste disposal. Once the tray installed, it is waterproofed with the rest of the floor. Everything you see from the first one on the finished floor is a glaze, all else is hidden. We are royalbathrooms.co.uk. Wet rooms at the Royal Bathrooms. The floor needs to be rigid when tiling over a wooden floor. If the bounce is present on the floor, this must eliminate by using additional noggins, extra joist installed between the existing joists, at a 90-degree angle. I would recommend a minimum floorboard specification of 20 mm WBP plywood, but 24 mm is even better. The flooring needs to be very thick. A particular type of waterproofing system shall use for the wet rooms. They are usually a liquid rubber paste with additional reinforcement tapes, tiles and cloaks for wall and floor joints, pipes, and edges. The insulation with ETAG 22 and carry a CE marking within the European Union. In short, the position of a wet room has no special restrictions. Since the floor is stiff, a pitch has created to fall, and an approved waterproofing system fully thanks to the room. Search for now.